Just talking to the air boss. Ken said, can I come down? I'm ready. So we're going to send him down. Look at it up there. He's going to reach up and shut off the engine. Male, you want to see this? He's going to turn the engine off on that airplane. Then he's going to come gliding back down. This is going to be really cool. Watch it. High above. Here he comes spiraling down from 6,000 feet. Look at that. The engine completely off right now on that airplane. In fact, Ken Pietsch, one of the legends in our business, been flying for well over 40 years. Started back in 1967 when at the age of 16 he completed his first solo flight. Since then he's restored a number of airplanes, flown for major airlines around the world, and sponsored by the Jelly Belly Corporation, the candy company. Ben loves to make little candies. As a premier performer, Ken strives to show the freedom of flight. He's doing that right now. The plan is for him to swing right back around over here to the left once he lands. And if you see our friends walking out at Airshow Center right now, there's a young lady down there who is going to catch Ken Pietsch. Do we know who? I didn't get a note as far as who she is. I'm sorry. Do we know who she is? She's way down there. Maybe the show control folks can find out who she is. I'd love to tell her. Yeah, ma'am, I'm not sure, but you know, yesterday the lady that did this got engaged. So I know. I don't know what is going on with her. Hopefully, might have a big surprise out here. Who knows? We'll see. Ken Pietsch, completely dead stick right now. No engine. Proving to you that airplanes just don't fall out of the sky when the engine turns off. No, in fact, they can continue to fly. J-Rabbit, let's bring the music down here and see if we can hear the wind over the wings of this little airplane. You'll hear the rumble, the T6, but now listen closely and you'll hear it. We'll just hear it come around. Christina, I've just learned your name. Hello, Christina. You have your hand up down there. Wave to Ken. He's going to be looking. Oh, look at that. A little propeller. I can hear it now. You'll watch the prop turn around every once in a while. It's just windy up there. Now, this is the part where 40 plus years of training pay off. Will he be able to put the spinner in the palm of Christina's hand? Let's see. Watch and listen here. It's Ken Pietsch, an expert, aviator, an all-around great guy, an old friend, as he would tell you. Sets up for the landing. This is the part where all that mental math starts to make sense. Nothing you can do on paper, just something you do by feel. It's down in your gut. Watch him as he lands here. Ever so slowly. There's the touchdown. The eye of a hawk. He's going to squeal the brakes if he has to, but he is going to put that nose, that little nose hole, right in the palm of Christina's hand. Now she's worried he might not be able to stop. But watch what happens, folks. As Ken Pietsch just eases up, and kisses Christina with the nose of his airplane. A huge round of applause for Christina and Ken Pietsch. It's back Johnny and J Rabbit's babysitting service. Glad to be doing it for you. If you are missing a 3-year-old, again, if you're missing a 3-year-old, please come up here, right up here to the center. Ask any member out here with a uniform on, if there's an Air Force first, there's a police officer, ask them to show